So good morning, guys. In last session, we discussed about the structure programming and also about the object-oriented programming, and also we discussed like what is the difference between object and modular programming. So modular programming is also called structure programming and procedure programming as well. So today, as part of this course, we are going to discuss the introduction of C Sharp. So I have prepared a slide for this one. So let's have a look and let's start the video. Okay. So I just prepare a slide for this one. Introduction to C Sharp. So it is an object-oriented programming language created by Microsoft. So we already discussed like C Sharp support the OOPS. So we can say C Sharp is an object-oriented programming language. It runs on the .NET framework. So we need the .NET framework in our system to run the C Sharp code. So .NET framework is what we will discuss this in next session. C Sharp is a lot similar to the Java syntactically and is easy for the users who have knowledge of C, C++, or Java. So we can say if you are ever work on the C, C++, or Java, then you can easily learn the C Sharp, the widely used programming language these days. So this is similar to the Java. I mean the syntax wise, not the functionality wise. This is similar to the Java. So C Sharp was developed by Andrew Hansberg and his team during the development of the .NET framework. So when the Microsoft team was developing the .NET framework, they also developed the C Sharp language. So both .NET framework and the C Sharp developed together. It can be compiled on a variety of computer platforms. So we can say it is a platform independent language. This is very important feature of C Sharp, like it is platform independent. So what is platform independent? Platform means the OS you are using to in your laptop to develop the C Sharp program. So suppose I am a programmer and I mostly prefer the Windows OS. So I am developing the program C Sharp program on the Windows OS, and there is another programmer which works on the Mac or Linux. So he can easily run the program developed by me on his OS. So we can say this is platform independent. We only need the .NET framework in our system to run the C Sharp code. So C Sharp can easily be run on some other framework as other platform as well. C Sharp is case sensitive. So this is self-explanatory case sensitive. You know what is case sensitive. C Sharp is type safe. So type safe is what? Type safe is the thing, for example, you are creating a variable, integer variable in C Sharp, and you try to assign the string value to that variable, then C Sharp won't allow this. Only check the compatible type of the value and the variable at the compile time. It does not wait for the runtime. So for example, this is the variable integer x, and you are trying to assign the string value here, then the C Sharp check catch it on the compile time. So it is saying the message like cannot implicitly convert type string to int. Okay, but some language which is not type safe allow this thing at the compile time. So this create the issue at the runtime. This is the advantage of C Sharp. It is type safe language. Okay, it manages the garbage collection automatically. So garbage collection is what? Suppose you are creating an object in C Sharp and later the object is not needed further, then the C Sharp automatically release the memory taken by the object. So previously when we work on the C++, we use the destructor to release the memory, but here C Sharp support the destructor, but if you are not releasing a memory of an object using the destructor, then it automatically manages. So this is also the benefit of using the C Sharp. Application of C Sharp. So application where C Sharp is currently being used. This is the mobile application, desktop application. We are familiar with the mobile and the desktop application, web application, and the web services, websites, games. Games C Sharp is widely used in games these days. VR, database application, and much more. Okay, advantage of C Sharp. C Sharp is very efficient in managing the system. All the garbage is automatically collected in C Sharp. We already discussed this. So this is repeated now. There is no problem of memory leak in C Sharp because of its high memory backup. Cost of maintenance is less and is safer to run as compared to other languages. C# code is compiled to intermediate language. So we will discuss what is intermediate language and what is MSIL code when we work or when we learn the .NET framework in next video. So we will discuss this, the compilation of C# or how the C# program executes. There is also some disadvantage of C#, like this is mostly dependent on the .NET framework. So before using the C# program or to run the C# program, you must have .NET framework installed your machine. So this is the disadvantage of the C#. Rest of the things are okay. So guys, take care and just go through with this video. You will definitely get something from this one. Okay, so take care, guys. Next session we will discuss about the .NET framework. Take care. Bye bye.